In this video, my friends Alex, X, Liam, and I go from Raleigh, North Carolina to Bel Air, Maryland to hang out and trick with some of the best trickers in the world. This is our experience. We made it.
Hello!
We're here.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, hello!
Hi.
Let's go. We made it.
The session's already popping off, as you can see, so I'm gonna warm up the trick for a little bit. Welcome to Mastering Chicken Gathering! Hello? Final warm-up! You got 3 minutes and then the game of trick live!
Then we played a massive game of trick, and I was behind Malik Shepard and Ethan Turner, so you can guess how that went. But if you want to see it, link will be right here and in the description.
What's up, something, boys? 3 minutes, whatever.
Providing clothing for the backs of the community.
Check. Yo, give it up one time for Scott Browder now!
Scott Browder! 8:30 or so, I will bring down that cord and attach pinatas for us all to kick the death out of. Woo! But we got some chill, we got some vibe session for the next hour or two, then we're breaking stuff.
Yeah!
Thank you all again. I just cannot say this enough. Thank you, everybody.
Brendan motherfucking Morrison! I'm just kidding.
Dry body work in the wild.
COVID has really killed my endurance. I don't know if you can hear me over this music, but it's still a really good vibe, regardless of whether I can trick a lot or not.
Easy, bro.
That was a good wild session, and now we're going off to Waffle House. Yeah, it's gonna be intense. They're not happy.
No, they're tight. There's like, yo,
They're dreading this.
3 cars. The trickers are coming.
The trickers are coming. That's terrifying. That's so scary. We're at Brendan's parents' house, and I did not do a lot of vlogging today, but we went to Waffle House, and now we're here to go to bed, so I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow.